I absolutely hate gas caps that aren't attached to the car, so I'm going to fix it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with Project Overlander, this Jeep Commander that is getting transformed into something that it wasn't just a few weeks ago, and that is a Jeep Commander. It's actually not really a transformation, but one of the things that I really hate is this original cap. I'm sure works just fine, but when I take it off, I'm always like, where should I put this? And then what I usually do is I just put it right here and then clench and just hold it right there in the cheeks until I'm done pumping gas, and then put it back there. So I would really love to stop doing that and actually have the gas cap do what they always have done in the past, and that's just hang down there for the people like me that actually have gas caps instead of the capless gas fillers, which are all the rage. Now, this is not just some universal thing. You've got to find the ones that are the same size to fit your existing car. But when you do, you should have a gas cap that looks just like your old one, but it has this tether. And then right there, we have this little button-like grommet, which should push into a hole that most have drilled right on the arm of the gas flap right there. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and see if this fits my car, as it's promised to do. Oh, that seems pretty good. And then I'm going to take this and I'm just going to push it in here like that. I might need some man arms to get it in there. It's a pretty tight fit, which means I'm gonna have to call a friend and have him push it in there. Got my artificial hands here. Good. Push that. Oh, that's all it took. Little pair of pliers, and now it's in there, and now I can close this just like that. And now when I'm filling my gas tank, I don't have to worry about the cap drifting off. This is the other place you could put it if you don't want to clench them buns, but I don't know why you wouldn't want to do that. So anyway, if you want to make your gas filling a little more pleasurable on any car, I would highly recommend picking one of these up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda and Project Overlander out.